sana po out of fairness, sana po tinatanong din natin, bakit hindi po kasuhan sa Pilipinas? Lahat po ng testigo nandito, lahat ng ebidensya nandito po. Bakit po hindi ba kasuhan dito instead of trying to short circuit?
Sino po ang gusto niyong tanungin namin out of fairness kung bakit hindi dito sa Pilipinas ilitisin ang kaso? Sino po ang gusto niyong tanungin namin?
Ang gobyerno po, kasi po this is the people of the Philippines.
It has been tried. Even the former Justice Secretary himself, Boying Remulla, who's now ombudsman, he himself said hindi po kaya ng gobyerno. This is why the victims have gone to the ICC for justice. Hindi ho kaya dito.
Bakit po? Nung isang araw po, meron kaming
Bakit
na-receive.
po akong tatanungin?
Hindi, meron po kaming
This
na-receive.
is their
na
own
sa-
statement.
Yes, ma'am.
And precisely why there is an ICC.
Yes.
I don't know
No.
why you are framing it as a diminution
But we're not part of the ICC.
Philippine sovereignty.
We're
When
not a
this
part of
is,
the
we're
ICC,
talking
ma'am.
of the international community here. Hindi ho
Yes, we're
isang-
not part of the ICC, ma'am. I beg you to understand. We're not part of their own statute anymore. We withdrew, and that was affirmed in the Pangilinan versus Cayetano case. With all due respect, ma'am,
yes,
says, no?
but
And-
the crimes, may I say also, attorney, that the crimes indicated were before we withdrew from the Rome Statute.
Yes, but there is a very long discussion about continued cooperation, but it is not part of continued cooperation, no, to serve an ICC warrant. Kasi po, let's assume arguendo na nasa Rome Statute pa tayo, ma'am, ha? Let's assume, ha? Meron pong proseso sa Article 58 saka sa Article 59 ng Rome Statute kung paano po mag-serve ng warrant. At katulad po ng lahat ng batas, di ba may batas, ma'am, no? Kunyari RA, merong IRR, yung implementing rules. Sa
Opo,
ICC meron
alam
din
ko
po.
po
Ma'am,
yun.
sandali lang. This is very important, ma'am. Meron pong batas na Rome Statute, meron din pong regulations of the court. And in the regulations of the court, 31 number 3, nakalagay po doon kung paano mag-serve ng ICC warrant, which they did not follow. And the key phrase there is personal service. Kailangan po may personal service upon the accused, which they did not do. What did they do? They brandished it on social media and on media without serving us. Humingi po si Senator Cayetano, humingi po kami bilang legal counsel.
Because
out
po
of
your
deference to the
client,
law.
and I'm sorry we're
We were
running
not
out of
served the
time, but I'd
warrant.
just like to point out, because he was running in the stairs and, even tripped. They were trying to serve the warrant on him.
No, they were not. They were not in possession of the warrant. Then they admitted that. In fact, Melvin Matibag said to Cayetano that we will give it to you, and then sabi niya, hindi, sa Tuesday na lang, and then next time na lang, and then next time na lang. They did not serve as a warrant, no? So, until
okay, but if we'll be arguing till tomorrow. But just
No,
the
but
same,
that's very important to concede, eh.
What is important is why Senator Bato left the supposed protective custody of the Senate to go missing. Yun po yung issue. Ba't hindi po niya harapin?
No, serve as the warrant.
Yun yung tanong po. Yun yung, in the end, the most important question. He showed
think
up to vote, to cast his vote for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as president, who was behind our withdrawal from the Rome Statute. He was foreign secretary then, correct? And then to go missing after, it seems it's unbecoming, to say the least.
A little correction, it was the president, of course, President Duterte was
Of
the
course,
chief
sir,
architect.
pero
Siya yung nag-withdraw. Ngayon, pagdating po
but
kay
we thank you
Senator
for your
Bato,
time. I'm sorry we do, one final explanation na lang po kung pwedeng maikli na lamang.
well, we are just waiting for the government authorities to serve us personal service po nung warrant. And also
Paano
we
po
await
kung wala na nga, missing na nga si Senator, paano isi-serve?
that is the purpose of the lawyers, ma'am. We are his legal counsel. Ma'am, I hope you don't ridicule us, ma'am. No, we're doing our best to
I'm
be
not. You're
earnest with
saying you want the government to personally serve, but
Yes.
he ran
Yeah,
away.
to us.
He ran away.
Abogado po kami. Abogado naman kami. Pwede naman po sa amin. Pwede
So
naman po.
that is what you want, to serve it to you,
Yes,
and then
yes,
ano pong gagawin
yes.
ninyo pag
Oh,
na-serve
eh,
na sa inyo?
then we will follow
You'll produce
accordingly.
him? You will produce your client?
Well, I can't assure that because I'm not Bato, but we will of course definitely serve the warrant on our client. Kasi po, ayaw nilang sundan yung sistema. They're
Okay,
not
so
following the law that they're invoking.
this is what you're saying. You are willing for the government to serve the warrant on the legal counsels, and you will do your utmost best to produce your client. Did I
Pag
understand it
dadaan po
correctly?
sa proseso, no? Dadaan po sa proseso, sa PCTC and all that, alam po ninyo, I'm sure you've heard all of that. Pag dumaan na po sa tamang proseso and competent judicial authority, then pwede na nating pag-usapan ang pag-appear ni Senator